Today we're making a super fresh and flavorful salmon potato salad that's perfect for summer. It's packed with protein, veggies, and the most amazing homemade dressing. Let's get started. Grab a pot and add 8 ounces of red potatoes, then toss in 3 eggs. Fill the pot with water until the potatoes and eggs are covered and let them boil for about 15 minutes. While the potatoes and eggs are getting started, let's prep our green beans. Grab about 6 ounces of fresh green beans and trim off the ends. Let's get some fresh ingredients going. Chop about a handful of fresh dill. This stuff adds the best flavor. Then grab 2 green onions and give them a good chop too. Our potatoes and eggs have been cooking for 10 minutes, so it's time to throw in those trimmed green beans. We will also take out the eggs out at this time as well. It's been 15 minutes, so our potatoes and green beans are ready. Drain them well and let them cool down a bit. Next up is the dressing. Add 1/4 cup of olive oil to a bowl, 1 tablespoon of whole grain Dijon mustard, the juice from 1 small lemon, about half a cup, and 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. Mix till combined. To give our dressing a little creaminess, we're adding 1 tablespoon of Primal Kitchen's garlic mayonnaise. This is totally optional, but I recommend it. Give the dressing another stir, and then add a splash of white vinegar for a little tang. Now that our potatoes have cooled a bit, let's bring them back out, chop them in half, and toss them in the bowl with the green beans. Add in the chopped green onions, and then add in the dill. Let's not forget about our eggs. Let's peel them, give them a chop, and toss them in the mix. Now it's time to add the protein. Open up 2 packs of wild pink salmon, make sure the salmon is broken into chunks, and add it to the salad. Pour the dressing over the salad and add the seasoning. You can find the ingredients for the seasoning in the description below. Give the salad one final mix. For an extra burst of flavor, you can grate a little bit of fresh lemon zest over the top. And there you have it. A bright, flavorful, and healthy salmon potato salad that's perfect for any occasion. Thank you for watching. Till next time.